Ready to go to the beach club?
Yes.
Hot. Won't be burnt.
Oh, watch out. We're gonna have to run. We all get fried. Kim's shoulders are freaking blistered. And we all put on this pure zinc sunscreen. I can feel my stomach getting burnt. Yeah, you're looking pretty red. It's a good thing we come up when we do. What was it?
I don't know, but it hurt.
Nate, a chicken off the chair. You can still doing it, Mom.
I can't move.
Where's I'm not.
Is it a horsefly? Bee?
Oh, I don't know, but it really hurt.
Turn around.
Probably one of those green heads.
Alright, you can go jump off the dead end.
2 days ago, the west winds were coming in, bringing the bait flies.
I'm telling you, this thing hurts so
Deer.
bad just now.
It's a deer fly.
Alright, Mom. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Go in the water, it helps. He's
Yeah, but I
jumping in
want
the
to
deep
know where
end.
it went. I want to kill it.
You got your little gun? Are you gonna shoot? Are you gonna shoot me? You got your little gun? Are you gonna shoot me? The chicken legs?
Wow, that was the worst thing I ever felt.
Where'd it get you at?
Where I bend my leg.
Oof. We're headed out to eat some seafood. I know you're not gonna eat fish food, but they got chicken tenders. I'm wanting some crab. Crab, crab, crab. Shrimp.
everybody that was out there went in. That's crazy, man.
That big old shrimp. And these fries right here, crabby fries. They got crab meat in there, cheddar jack cheese, sour cream, bacon.
Pretzel filled with crab meat.
Pretzel filled crab meat.
Alright, tell us how you want to
Down first.
I'm not
Before
even-
you suck it down, wait a minute. Just do this and
Yep.
loosen it off there. Now suck it right through there.
I ain't even gonna chew it.
You don't. Yeah, make sure it's
Oh.
this.
Bone.
It's not bony shell.
It's a leg bone. Oh, I gotta chew it. So. I'm trying to choke myself to death.
I have no idea what he just said.
I'm not trying to choke myself to death.
Feels like a big loogie.
They're raw oysters. Mima's favorite.
That was a good meal. I'm freaking stuffed.
That was real seafood. And you even ate raw oysters.
Everybody's full. Bryce, you full? Lizzie full?
Bryce ate so much.
We just left the Acme grocery store. Going back to the condo. We got a storm coming. I hope it gets crazy.
Now it says reduce speed ahead. Okay, you did reduce it from 50 to 25, and then it's 25 here. So the cop usually hides here and gets everybody. So what I do is, I put on my blinker instead of going straight, because you gotta automatically hit the brakes and slow down. And I turn here and go the back way. And Mike goes, Joanne, I said, gets me out of a ticket. If you slow down, if you hit your brakes, and the cop sees you hit your brake, he's gonna come after you. Because
Well, dang, how fast are you supposed to go through there?
you don't know.
25?
25 or 50.
50 to 25.
Well, you got to be slowed down from 50 by the time you get to that 25
You
sign.
don't know it's 25 until you're on
You
top
don't know
of the
it's
sign.
25 until you're right on top of it. There's
Maybe.
no warning.
Yeah, they just trying to give people easy tickets.
That's a speed trap. They're going to close the pool.
Yeah.
It's raining.
It's going to be a kind of relaxing lounge day, okay? Oh, yeah? Everybody's leaving.
Oh, it's raining. Storm's coming. We got to get the groceries in the house. Man, we got mad leftovers from that seafood restaurant.
He said, get your
Ryan,
I'm super excited.
you bought beer that says Jersey Proud.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I wanted to try it. Hazy Bones. Hazy Bones. You got to get a cart. Everybody coming off the beach because it's about to storm.